Step into the world of precision with CNC technology, a game changer in modern manufacturing with design to product limited. CNC, or Computer Numerical Control, transforms raw materials into intricate parts with unparalleled accuracy. It's the symphony of digital technology and engineering. The magic begins with a design. At design to product, experts turn digital blueprints into reality, guiding CNC machines with precise programming. From aerospace components to bespoke furniture, CNC technology brings complex designs to life with a level of precision that's almost beyond belief. This isn't just about manufacturing. It's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Design to product harnesses CNC to innovate and customize like never before. Enthusiasts and professionals in the industry are consistently astonished by the capabilities unlocked by CNC technology. Far more than a mere tool, it represents a gateway to the future of design and production, reshaping our approach to creating and manufacturing. Dive deeper into the precision world of CNC at Design to Product Limited, where design meets unparalleled accuracy. If you are interested in learning more, don't hesitate to contact us. You can book a meeting with our founder through our Calendly link listed in this video.